Hi guys, on to the next problem. Lead code 1282. Group the people given the group size they belong to. It's a medium level problem. Seems like it had two hints and it has a very good acceptance rate. Probably it will be better or easier maybe. Let's see how many did. The number of people that did were relatively low, but let's see anyway. There are n people that are split into some unknown number of groups. Each person is labeled with a unique ID from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, each person is labeled with a unique ID from 0 to n minus 1, and there are n people that are split into unknown number of groups. Okay, right, unknown number of groups, and each one is labeled with 0 to n minus 1 numbers. Okay, you are given an integer array group sizes, right? Where group sizes of I is the size of the group. That person I is in size of the group that person I is in. Okay. For example, if group size of 1 equals to 3, the person 1 must be in a group of size 3. Okay. Okay. So, ith person is in a group of 3. All these people are in a groups of 3 and this person is in a group of 1. So return a list of groups such that each person I is in a group of size group of I. Each person should appear in exactly one group. Okay, each person should appear exactly in each person should appear exactly in one group and every person must be in a group. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. It is guaranteed that there will be at least one valid solution for the given input. So let's go, guys. The thing is, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So let's go for in range of length of, and let's keep sorry, equals to an empty list. Let's see the constants 2. N will be between 0 and 500. That's a very small number. And let's keep temp equals to an empty list for I sorry, go from 1, 3, 3, and here we take 2, and 1, 3, and 2. One thing we can do is we'll have a sorted list. Sorted of group sizes. If temp, if length of temp is equals to high, or else temp dot append will return answer here. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorted group equals to oh shit. This is kind of messed up. So let's do one thing. Instead of doing this, let's keep sorted indexes. And length of Let's see how it looks. 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. That's great. 1 0 5 2 3. So 1 0 5. Two. Well, that's good. Let's try submitting it again. Now let's see if it goes well. Well, it worked out well, but seems like it is not an optimal solution. Let's see what others did. Probably others did this in more often time. Let's see. Created a default dict. We dot depend. Okay. That's one way to do things. Let's do that too, which would be order of n time. Let's store it in a default dict. Now it seems correct. Well, let's submit this to. That's great. So what we are doing here is we have a dictionary and we are taking the values from here and making them as keys. We are storing the respective indexes in that particular key. For example, for 2 in the dictionary, we'll have a list which will have 0 and 6. Sorry, 5. Yeah, 0 and 5. And edge cases will be if we got 3 more than 3 times, then what we are doing is we are checking if it reached a length of the group size, then we are clearing it, we are making it empty, and before making it empty we are appending the dictionary value into, what do we call it, answer, the main answer, and we are clearing it, and it can be used again if 3 comes again. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, put it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard. Also, don't forget to leave a comment so that we'll get a better reach and I can address your problems. So goodbye guys.